is crazy. Look at the crowds, man. I like the flags. Guys, there's something really nice about a quiet Sunday morning. Today is not going to be one of those, though. Not at all. Now, this car is loud, and I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the Alfa Romeo 4C. Today, we're not going to focus too much on this car. We are going to have a review coming out of it soon, but today's the Yorkville car show. Every Father's Day, they do the Yorkville car show, and I gotta say, yeah, Toronto is not car week, but for car week vibes, or just like cars driving around and a big car show going on around it, this is about as good as we get in Toronto. I don't know what's gonna show up, but I can pretty much guarantee there'll be some good stuff. Wait. We're gonna have a very good review on this thing, but today should be a pretty exciting day. A ton of people are coming out. This is honestly a really big deal for the Toronto car scene, so expect it to be pretty good. Like always, Yorkville's lined up with cars. Now, I guess we have the Lotus guys here getting ready to load in. We are not in the show, but we are their competition today in the Alfa Romeo 4C. I think the mirrors are kind of boring compared to this, I'm not gonna lie. Carbon top, you can see it right here. Guys, we're having more fun than them. I'm sorry, we just are. We just are. Now, question is, can we get a spot in Yorkville? We here early enough, I believe we are, but I would like to just leave the car parked here for as long as I can. It's a cool car. Park it with the top down, because there's no way I'm going to screw the top back on and then just take it off when I start driving again. So let's see if we can find a spot. I think we're looking okay. It looks pretty quiet here. Not as quiet as actually I would have thought. Maybach right here. Yeah, Golf R, M2. I don't know. Are we gonna find? Do we not have a spot on Yorkville? Maybe we gotta go Cumberland. Let's see. So, guys, it's setup time. I already see some Ferraris here, and honestly, a huge row of cars lined up. Let's go walk around, see what's already here. Probably some friends that we have are already driving the cars in. I was originally gonna register something in, but I didn't really know what my schedule's gonna be looking like, and I want to commit a car then if I'm not here. So, yeah, let's see. We have the F12 right here. I think the A12 hype. I love all my friends that buy A12s, and I help them with their A12s, but I think F12's got a bit more way to go. Matte black SF90 right here, and the real good car right here, the 458 as well, and the Scuderia in white. What a great car. But yeah, the best thing about coming early, you get to see the cars before it gets really crazy. We got a really nice 550 Maranello right here with the bucket seats, 355 Spider. Got a 599, a 48 GT3. Actually, I don't even think it is. It's got a plate on it, so that's interesting. Viper ACR, badass car. We drove Jason's car in California. Gallardo Spider. Whoa, is this a gated Gallardo? No, never mind. Paddle shifter, but Gallardo Spider. I'm really keeping my eye on these R8. Pretty much the brother to this car. 993 turbo. Not bad. Then we have Toronto Auto Brokers here with the 12C SF90. We've actually been doing a lot of business with them recently. So let's see. I'm trying to get them to sell me this car for a reasonable price. So we'll see what happens with that. Maybe we'll talk them into it today. 12C, honestly, not much interest, but I don't know. This could be a cheap, nice, good deal. 17,000 kilometer SF90. We're in the car with I Told You TO in the green SVJ with another SVJ behind us and an SVJ in front of us. So let's see. They line up. But we're gonna go park at the right place. So 2 SVJs, third one coming in with the roof scoop and everything. Then the SV next to the SVJs. We got a Roma Spider, but the interesting car is behind it. We got a Rosso Dino Ferrari F12. I don't know how I feel about the little kit and whatever's done to it, but Rosso Dino and an F12 I think is a really nice color. And the 2 430s. And GT4 RS. And then 488 Spider. These things are pretty good value because they're cheaper than 45. Oh, coupe actually. Cheaper than 458s, cheaper than F8s. Then this F8 Spider. These things are crazy in value right now. They're approaching $600,000 for production V8. So we are going for brunch soon with our friend James, who brought the 190 SLR. Saw this in a few videos ago, maybe even the last one. Very, very cool. Completely open car. This thing sounds wild. You know, most people nowadays, they get the Huracans, they get all that, but some people still have a lot of class, and we got one of those people right here in a blue 612 Scaglietti. Such a classy car, completely blocked by rusted out VTEC SI, but here it is. Looks really good. Kyle, times are tough right now. We've been sitting here for a while. What do you have to say about this mega supercar lineup?
Wow.
Yeah, guys, times are tough. The Aventador was nice. I've never seen this one before. But yeah, the rest of it, I don't know, man. Not very exciting. Dude, we used to get love Ferraris here on this day. Now,
Not anymore.
not anymore.
Get what you can get.
It's a recession, guys. It is a recession. And not bad. We got a little SLS here. M5 wagon, M4. SLS actually used to belong to a friend of ours that we sold a Pista to recently, that we showed at the FAF open house. It used to be a daily driven SLS. These cars are actually really reliable. Now we're talking, guys. We got a 48 Pista Spider and the richer man's 348, right?
Yes.
But yeah, we got 48 Pista Spider, blue carbon, white. But nah, screw that. We gotta look at the 348. I don't even see a piece of Spider, right? Can't even see it. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Yeah, dude can't even afford a roof.
Seriously.
Yeah. So the show's over. We didn't really show too much during the show because it just, you can see how many people are here. It's impossible to film, but let's see. Getting a bit of the rollout. Gated 360, by the way. Very cool, the gated manual shifter. And Scuderia from Japan. Very, very cool. 458. And our buddy Umair's SF90. Very good. These cars, next one to blow up, I promise you. Another one. Maybe someone will notice that's not a Ferrari. And trunk open on this 48. Maybe somebody will tell them. Not a clue what this is. Leave a comment. Let's see if we can tell by the interior, but I genuinely... Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel there was a tiny scene in Bad Boys 1 or 2 where they had something similar to this. If it's something like this and you guys know, let me know. I don't know. 6 Cars. Did you watch Bad Boys?
Yes.
For a brief moment in one of the movies that had something that looks like this. I don't know if it's that. I don't even know what it was in the movie, but might be that.
All I can guess is they're going for like a Bugatti Type 57 vibe.
Yeah.
No idea what it is though. You guys be the judge.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
And after a very long wait, Amin is passing by with the SVJ, and we got more behind him. And we got Manny right here. What's up? I'm filming. And the SV as well. We hopped in the SVJ again, but crazy. Look at the crowd, man.
I like the flags. Straight.
Now we're back in the 4C. Hopefully we can leave in a second, but yeah, it's gonna be a little tough. So now the cars are just fully legitimately shut down Yorkville where people can't even go through, but it is what it is. Don't really see much, but the SVJs are all there. We see SVJs every day. SVJs don't matter, but what matters is a V60 Polestar, ladies and gentlemen. If you know what it is, you know what it is, but we got a Volvo V60 Polestar. Nico's Ferrari doesn't matter. Again, V60 Polestar, guarantee you see less of these than SVJs.